everybody, this is my first video, and you are on the sixth crew. Yeah, the sixth crew. And our sponsor is Dora L. This is everybody's favorite show. This is our first one. Nobody have seen this yet. So, let me just tell you what's up. The boys kept on whining, except for Jacob. Jacob. They kept on, Marcus and Chris kept on whining. Please, oh, like a baby. Please have it the sixth crew. But it's not the sixth crew. It is not the Caitlin Scavenger, because nobody wanted to do it, and plus they will make me the leader, but I don't want to be leader. So this is called the Cat and Dogs Crew. Well, actually, not crew, club. Cats and Dogs Club. So, like I was saying, it's the Cats and Dogs Club. I'm the leader of the pack. No, I'm the leader of the pack. Stop hitting people. I'm the leader of the pack. I am not the leader of the pack. Not even me. Nope. It is Jacob. Jacob! But he's a loser! Yep, a loser. I am right here. I'm not a loser. I'm not a loser. You're a nerd. Yeah, you're a nerd. Well, you're dating a nerd. Well, not technically a nerd, but she is smart. Thank you. And this is what you get for hitting him. Ow. Boom. Why are you roughhousing? Dad, you told me that you will not come in, barge in. Well, but you guys are roughhousing. We're not roughhousing. We're doing our show, and these two guys want to be the leader. Then they just boom, bang, bang. They just hit me in the face and try to beat me up to be the leader. But I am the leader. All the girls have voted. Wait a minute. Everybody that vote for Jacob to be leader? 3. Everybody that vote for me? I don't even know why I said that. For one of these girls. Okay, what? Sis, who you're voting for? Carly, who are you voting for? Chloe, who votes for one of these know-it-alls? Marcus, whatever. And Chris. Both of us, well, actually, it's against 1 and 1. Against 5. Against 3. So, he's the leader. Okay. Let me just tell you a lot of things. Everybody, this one's my close-up. I'm gonna go over. Okay, it's time to announce 1, 2, 3. The jerk up, the bully, the jerk up the week. Her name is Nancy. Her name's Nancy. Here's a sculpture I made of her train pusher. Hey. As you can see, that's April. And this is my room. Where's my cousin? Oh, hey, you might have seen me in The Power. Or not. But that's movies coming out someday. Oh, and plus, it can be uploaded. Next. Can I speak? Yeah. My name is Chloe. And I'm Caitlin. And me and Caitlin are sisters. I am Marcus, the most awesomest person in the world. And we are so awesome. Actually, I'm the awesomest one. Woo, wow, awesome! He's the lame one. And I'm the awesomest. I'm the leader. And I'm just not gonna rub it into. How do you work this thing? Come on. Okay, I think I got it. My name is Jacob. And the one that I just pushed off the sofa was my brother, Chris. Yeah, he's mean. No. I heard that. I'm the smartest one, and even the girl, and Caitlin calls me awesome. And I think she has a crush on me. I do not have a crush on you. Then, if you don't, how did you know I knew? Like I was saying, I totally know she likes me. And I totally know I like, and she totally doesn't know I like her. I'm the camera. Hi, I'm Nancy. Oh, I am the movie star. Hi. Hello, everybody. Hello, Justin Timberlake. Hello, all celebrities that love me. I'm here to tell you that I'm totally single, and here's my number: 87659#1. Got that? Call me. Love you. Okay, I'm sorry that happened. But here we go. Here's some clips. Everybody was Kung Fu fighting. Oh, they forgot. Oh, they forgot about me. I'm Carly. Sorry, we forgot about you. Nancy totally interrupted you. Yeah. Seriously? Seriously? That means you're gay. Ugh. Dad! Hey sis. Man. I like You like me, I like you. Do you want to go to the prom? Yeah. I know it's you, Jake. Ah! I hate the popular you you oh no you I whip my hair back and forth. 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 I put the fast and I am nothing more. And to do something wrong, gotta have fun. I know what's up. Yeah, shake 'em up and shake 'em up and shake 'em up and shake 'em up. The haters don't know by night, and the new of the night, and I did yeah, I did I'm with my hair back and forth, I'm with my hair back and forth, with my hair back and forth, I'm with my hair back and forth, with my hair back and forth, I'm with my hair back and forth, I'm with my hair back and forth, with my hair back and forth. Son. Woo! Let's do this. I'm gonna beat you. Shut. Very good. Well, that's our show. See you next time on look out for episode 2 of Cats and Dog Club. But you never know that there might be another recruit. I'm Caitlin. I'm Chloe. I'm Marcus. He's the nerd, and I'm Chris. He is Jacob. And I am Carly. See you next week.